Got another one and another one. Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes and dudettes. It's your boy Will, and got another one and another one. Got another box to jump into. Let's see what's in here. Roll with me. All right, so back in. Let's jump into this box, see what it is, and hopefully it's something good. Let's see. See. Jump in there. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Oh, shit. Just trying to cut into this box. It's kind of fighting back. Okay, there we go. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box?
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box? Give me the gun.
Okay, we got quite a few things. What is this? Is a sample of Gucci Guilty, and it's taped to another box. Let's see what this is. This is on this box. Oh, okay. This is Armav's Hunter Intense, the oil. I've gotten a couple of the oils from Armav's. I got the Club de Nuit, and something else. I got another one, and all of the oils have been really, really good. So I was like, all right. I saw that one. I was like, the fragrance actually smells good too. The Club de Nuit. I mean the what is this called? Hunter. The Hunter Intense. That's the one with the weird looking bottle. Looks like it has like a black vest on or something like that. And the top is kind of weird. You gotta put it in a certain kind of way. But that scent actually smells pretty good. So I was like, let's try out the oil, see what it is. Another sample of Exceptional. And what is this? And this is a sample of Armav's Le Blue. Yeah. And let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, I've been looking to get this for a while. This is Amber Empire. I think that's what that is. Amber Empire by French Avenue. It's supposed to be a clone of that Blonde Amber, I think is what it is. And let's see what else we have in here. Papers and receipts and okay, nothing else. Don't need the rest of that. So I want to smell this. I want to rock right now. I want to smell this and see what it smells like. Wait a minute. Look how this is wrapped. Was this open and then resealed? Huh. If anybody's gotten Amber Empire, is that how your box came? Because normally it's kind of, see how the paper comes around and covers it. Let's see. We'll find out in a minute. We will find out in a minute. Okay. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. And it's not even regular paper. It's like a plastic wrap. All right, so here's the box. Kind of cool. This part is raised up. I'm sure you guys I'm probably the last one to the party, but people have probably already seen this, and I've heard about the fragrance, but I haven't seen it. How do you get into this thing? Oh, okay. I got a little bit open. Okay, there we go. Just cushion on the back and the bottle. Look at that bottle. That is nice. That's like piano lacquer black. Oh my goodness, that is nice. And it's just nice and snugly in there. The top is a little loose. Oh, it snaps into place though. The top snaps into place. And look at that. That's pretty nice. It has the French Avenue on the front, on the top. Is that gonna come in? Yeah, it has French Avenue. Has like a graded top. It's pretty nice. I'm digging this. I'm digging this top. I'm digging this whole bottle. This is pretty nice. Let's see what it smells like. Now, I've never smelled the Killian's. I think it's Killian. God, man, I'm dropping everything. I've never smelled the Killian's Blonde Amber. So let's see what this smells like. Yeah, see, that sprayed immediately. So somebody probably repackaged it. Oh, this is nice. This is nice, but it smells similar to something. It smells similar to like it kind of has a little bit of like a mixture of a bunch of things. Smells a little bit like Grand Soir and a little bit like, what is that? It's another fragrance that it smells like it's mixed like with 3 different fragrances, but it smells good. I'm not getting the amber, so I'm going to go ahead and go on skin and see how it smells. Let's see. Nice sprayer. Nice puff. Okay. Little bit of alcohol blast. Oh, on my skin it smells more woody. Yeah, it's more woody on my skin. And the sweetness that I was getting from like the Grand Soir kind of scent, that's more in the background. This is pretty good. I like it. I dig it. While I'm gonna let this dry down a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into this Armaf Hunter and see what this smells like. Okay, it has the same type of box, like a slide top box. Same bottle there. Okay, cool. So let's just see what it smells like. Oh, the box is pretty basic. It's just a plastic coffin to hold the fragrance in place. And it did a pretty good job. It wasn't bouncing around. The top is not loose. Everything is intact. So these are usually twist tops. Yes, it is a twist top. And it's a dabber, as you can see. This smells good, but it doesn't smell exactly like the spray. It smells almost like sweeter, but it smells like it would be really, really good to put this on and then put the other fragrance on. The other fragrance, I think it's kind of like a mixture too. That one kind of it smells like it's like a mixture between like a little bit of Aventus, a little bit of Green Irish Tweed, a little bit of something else. It's a combination of a whole bunch of scents that it smells good. It's good smelling. It's a good smelling fragrance, and I think that oil would be good for it to layer it. So that's pretty good. I went back to that. Oh, now this smells like how it smelled on the paper. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and don't want to do the Gucci Guilty. There's the sample. Yeah, why not? I'll go ahead and put this on. and see what it smells like. If I can find the spray. Okay, I put it here on my arm. Oh yeah, nice, clean, fresh. Which is completely different from what the bottle looks like. This bottle is like a dark, it's like a green and black, and it makes you think that it's going to be an evening scent. This is definitely for the daytime, but it could cross over. I smell some denseness in the background, a little bit of darkness. So it could transfer over from, like, if you're working in the office, if you want to keep the same fragrance on for a nightcap, going out, meeting your buddies or whatever, or a late dinner, yeah, it will work. That's pretty nice. Actually, I may think about that one. Maybe. All right, and let's go ahead and try this one. The who is this? Ajmal? Yeah, Ajmal's Lou Blue. Let's see what this one smells like. These I've been getting a lot of samples from Ajmal, and a lot of them are really, really good. They're doing their thing. They're doing their thing right now. So I might have to get back into the Ajmal. I had a bunch of fragrances from them, and I have a bunch of fragrances from them, and I just haven't got anything recently from them. Oh, okay. This is nice. This is a nice take on. It's like a clean, powdery, but it feels like it reminds me of something. It's it reminds me of I think it's called Miko. This is nice though. Except this is more refined than the fragrance that I'm thinking about. You know what? I can't remember the name of it. I'm gonna go get it. Hold on a second. Okay. So I went up and I found the bottle. This is the bottle that I'm talking about. It's called Tonka. And this is like, it's not a very expensive fragrance, but it has the same scent profile. And this one kind of dissipates pretty quick. It leaves like I think I get like maybe about 2 hours. Here's the name. I get like 2 hours of it, and it normally comes with a top that's like a head. It's kind of big. I got this as a sample, so I mean, not as a sample, as a what you call it, discontinued. I don't know. I can't remember what it was, but I didn't get the full presentation. So yeah, that's what this smells like. That's what Lou Blue smells like. Is that name gonna come in? There we go. It's nice. It's kind of nice. I don't think I have any blue fragrances or any fresh type of fragrances from Ajmal, so this could be an option. It's nice. I like that. Okay. Oh, while we're here, let's go ahead and go back to this. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of a whole bunch of things. This kind of reminds me almost a little bit, like I said, it reminds me of Grand Soir. Kind of reminds me of the one EDP a little bit. And it's a powdery kind of vibe. It smells like it has like iris in it. So it kind of reminds me a little bit of like what's that other one? Dior Homme Intense. It's not a clone of any of those fragrances that I'm mentioning. It just reminds me of those kind of scents. And if you like those scents, you probably would like this one. So yeah, that's pretty good. Amber Empire, right? Yeah, Amber Empire. Okay, cool. All right, that's all I got for you today. Just wanted to crack open that box, see what we had, and share it with you guys. Till next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Keep rolling with me. Deuces.